What's up, guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I'll be doing a review on the Browning Buck Mark URX. It is chambered in 22. This will be my first pistol review, and of course you gotta start with the 22. And let's just jump on into it. I'm still not used to this slide yet. And here we go. All 22s are very smooth. I think the different color front sight really helps with aiming and getting your sight picture. Another thing I really like is the grip. It fits your hand very well. Let's get another mag. Definitely a very good flanker. Also like how you reload these mags. You just pull this down, insert the bullets, very easy. Overall, I think it's a very good 22. I think if you're in the market for a 22, a Browning Buck Mark is probably a good choice. All around fun gun to shoot. You could pretty much use this for anything, target practice, hunting if you wanted to, shoot squirrel, rabbit. As you know, with 22s, very minimal recoil. Just very smooth all around. You can tell Browning has got some pretty good quality. Everything feels pretty solid. The trigger feels very well. There's not much resetting. It's just simple pull and shoot. On a scale of 1 to 10 for this specific 22, I'd put it pretty high up there. It's very good quality overall. I like it, probably a 9. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.